So what's really causing your back pain? You might be surprised it's not aging or it's not just bad luck. Today, I'm going to show you 6 ways or 6 reasons for your back pain and how spinal correction can help to move you in the right direction. So number 1 is poor posture. Modern life with the technology that we're on and the modern lifestyle advantages, they put us in these poor, forward flexed, prolonged postures. And then over time in those postures, we creep into and get stuck in those positions. It causes stress and strain on the bones, the ligaments, the nerves, the joints, and cause it to break down. That's reason number 1. Number 2, the misalignments. And this goes along with posture, but the spine should have a certain shape to it, a certain structure to it. And when it gets outside of this normal and ideal shape and structure with what's called the vertebrae, again, that puts excessive stress and strain on the bones, on the disc, the ligaments, the nerves coming out of the spine, through the spinal cord. And what happens is, again, it can cause pain in those structures. By helping to correct these misalignments and even the poor posture with structural correction techniques, different exercises, different types of traction, we can help remold the spine into the normal and ideal position. Number 3 is poor ergonomics. And what that means is, what are the positions that you're putting yourself in day after day after day after day? Are you sitting too much? And again, this goes along with the poor posture where you're getting hunched over. Are you sitting too much? Are you leaning to one side more than the other? Are you carrying groceries, carrying kids, grandkids, whatever it is, causing these poor ergonomics and how our body is positioned? Number 4, which is not almost, but it is a result of those first 3 even, is disc degeneration. So this, the disc is a pain-producing structure. So if the disc is hurt or injured and degenerates, so if you have poor posture and misalignments and poor ergonomics, remember I said that puts more stress and strain on the bones, the discs, the cartilage, the ligaments, the joints. So it causes them to break down, causes the more wear and tear of that. So again, spinal correction will help to mitigate the effects of this degeneration by putting your spine into a stronger position to withstand the gravity and the forces that are placed on the discs. So again, along the same lines, reason number 5 that you might be feeling back pain and why it doesn't go away is maybe there's a disc problem, a herniated disc. So we talked about disc degeneration, which is a form of arthritis, but now there's also disc herniation. So the disc separates the bones, right? The ligaments, the bones of the spine, which are called the vertebrae. You have a disc right in between. Think about it like a jelly-filled donut. Only the disc has tough outer layer, all right, but it also does have this jelly-like substance in the middle. And what happens is with injuries, with breakdown of the disc, some of that jelly, well, one, with a disc bulge or disc herniation, just the outer layer can bulge out and irritate a nerve. Or if it gets bad enough to where the crack goes all the way through and now that jelly-like substance can seep out, that can injure and hurt the nerve in the back as well. And the last one, reason number 6, is osteoporosis. So osteoporosis is a breakdown of the bone, a weakening of the bone where they become brittle. So that by itself can cause pain, but then also because it is weak, and then if you have poor posture, misalignments, poor ergonomics, that can put excessive stress on the bones in different areas and cause compression fractures, which again is a form of and obviously can cause pain as well. So those are 6 main reasons why you might feel back pain and why it doesn't go away. It's almost like the first 3 lead to the next 3. So if you want to learn more about, how this happens and even a deeper understanding of why you have pain, go ahead and watch the next video and I explain even hidden causes that you might not know about.